Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to be unboxing the first generation Apple Pencil. As you can see right there, it looked backwards, I don't know. I already took off the plastic, sorry, not satisfied anymore. I got it for Christmas, so let's do this. Let's go. Here we go. Sorry about the background. My God, there he is. Right there, the Apple Pencil. Don't know if you can see the lighting well. Right there. Sorry, got the light. Let's make it up. Satisfying. That's very nice. It sticks to everything. Okay, put this back into the case. I put it back. There's the tip. Okay. Let's do these little mouth thingies. I guess this is so you can charge it. I don't know, actually. And then this piece is it's an extra knob just in case you lose this one. So I actually really like that. I'm just going to leave them in here. I'm going to take the pen out and I'm going to hook it up to it. I guess I can make another video about that, but I'm not going to. Sorry. Anyways, short unboxing video for you. And anyways, back on the floor. Oh my God. I'm cutting the paper. Here we go. Let's go ahead. Sorry about that. The background noise. I'm in my kitchen right now. My kids are watching. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna put these, like the little thingies and stuff, back into the box. I'm gonna put the box over to the side, put the garbage in the pile, and then I'm gonna hook this up to my iPad. Yes, very nice, very nice, very nice. I'm gonna hook this up to my iPad right now. Let's do this. Boop. Is it in? Okay. Never mind, I have to set this up later. Okay, well that was a short unboxing video, so bye. Bye. Bye.